Welcome back, family. Welcome back, everyone. If this is the first time that you're coming across my channel, my name is Chichi and I concentrate on fashion. Pretty much anything I want to talk about right here. If this kind of like resonates with the kind of things that you love, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below, become part of this little family. Let's grow together. And to my returning subscribers, you guys know that I love you. Thank you guys for coming back. God bless you. Today I am going to be sharing with you all some jewelries that I received from a company called MSBLUE, which is right here. So if you want to see what's inside this little bag right here, just keep on watching the video. Before I even show you guys what's inside this bag, let me give you a little bit of background of who and what MSBLUE is all about. So MSBLUE Fine Jewelry is located in New York and it was founded by MSBLUE. Basically what they do is they create fine jewelries, diamonds, gemstone in the lab. So all the jewelries are lab created. Every phase of their production and craftsmanship is well curated, and they believe that every woman should be able to afford their own little fine jewelry, diamond or gemstone. So the inspiration and idea behind the brand is that they wanted a fine jewelry to be affordable, beautiful and very conscious to whoever is going to be purchasing or all in one. MSBLUE makes use of MOISSANITE gemstones. These are gemstones that are grown in the lab, so you do not have all that high cost of digging and shipping because they're grown in the lab. So with all that being said, let me show you guys the items that I received from MSBLUE. This is the little bag that it comes in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the rings. Inside this bag is two items. One, and this is the second one. Inside the bag also comes with a measure, so you can actually measure your ring size. So this is the measure tape that you can use to measure your ring size if you're not really sure what size your ring is. It also comes with a booklet right here telling you how to take care of your ring and what you need to know about your fine jewelry. If you're on the go and you don't want to carry the boxes that the ring comes in, you have a drawstring velour dust bag that you can put your rings inside. They also give you a cleaning cloth to clean your rings, so this is a cleaning cloth for your rings. These are the two jewelries that I received from MSBLUE. So let's go ahead and open the first box. This is the beautiful blue box that has the MSBLUE on it. Once you open it up, there's another box inside of it. This is how the box looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And this is the ring inside the box. Guys, look at this beautiful MOISSANITE ring. Look at how gorgeous it is. Like, look at that beautiful green gemstone. Like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and take this ring out from inside the pack. So this is the beautiful ring right here. Look at the two silver stones right here and the green gemstone over here. Gorgeous ring. This is a size 8. I do have a ring size 8. My actual ring size is a size 8, and that's what I got from MSBLUE. And to my surprise, it's actually my size, because I feel like sometimes ring sizes do go off a little bit. So when I put this on my finger, look at that. So gorgeous. It looks so beautiful on my hand. Let's talk a little bit about this beautiful gemstone right here. So this is MSBLUE 25 karat green gemstone 3-stone ring. I do have a size 8, which I stated earlier on. This green MSBLUE ice ring is designed in sterling silver and symbolizes the past, present and future moments of life. So look at how beautiful this gemstone is. Like, what caught my attention is the green embossed gemstone in the middle and the two little stones at the side. Like, wow, and I just love how it looks on my hand. when I put my hand right here, look at how gorgeous it looks. Like, it's just like a statement ring. It's a huge statement ring. Like, you definitely going to notice me. Look at this. This is going to be on a heavy rotation on my hand because I love this ring so much. They do have different colors, so if you do not want this green gemstone, which I think the green gemstone is so pretty, they have other colors on your website. They have blue, they have yellow, they have just regular gold colors on your website. So if this green is not doing the job for you, then maybe you want to get a different color. But I definitely love this green. I feel like it goes with my skin tone. It sits well on my finger, and look at it so close by. So beautiful. So it has the gold and silver tone to it, but the entire ring is silver and it's made of sterling silver. I'm also going to go ahead and share with you all the second jewelry that I received from the company. Also comes in this box as well. So open it up, you find the little box inside here, little box, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is one of their engagement rings on their website. So if you're looking for engagement rings and you don't want to break the bank to give your significant other a huge highly priced engagement ring, you can go for MOISSANITE rings from MSBLUE, and they have affordable rings. They have affordable price. This ring, I do have this in the gold color. It comes in silver, gold, and rose gold. Again, this is a size 9. I'm going to take off the ring for you guys to see how it looks on my finger. Also is made of sterling silver, but this is the gold version. And inside this ring, inside the ring has the MSBLUE inscription. So both rings do have the MSBLUE inscriptions inside of it. So this is the ring on my hand right here. This is a 1.5 carat 3-stone princess engagement ring. Like I said, the color that I have is gold. If you look around the ring, you can see like the gemstones on it around the ring, which I do really love. It's obviously an engagement rings. I do have a discount code for you, which is CHI10, and I'm also going to pop it up right here. You can use the discount code to get 10% off the entire. Again, I do recommend that you go to the website and look at all the various gemstones, colors, cotton material that they use for your jewelry. Select the ones that you love. I just love these 2 rings that I have right here. I look at both of them together. I love it. This is so embossed. Like, look at this. I love them. I love them so much. So here are a lot of different cuts of rings on your website. They're of high quality, great value for money, not breaking the bank, you know, and saving a whole lot of bucks instead of spending a whole lot of money on just regular diamonds. Alright family, thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. If you did love this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the like button, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post any new content right here on my platform. And with that being said, thank you family, thank you lovelies, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care and remain blessed.